recipe. Double ranunculus, sunflowers, ivy berry, and the bud wax. First up, we've got the ivy. We're just going to nestle it to the neck of the vase. With the wax, you need to just reduce a little bit off the end of each stem. And just position it, give it a twist amongst the ivy. Some of the pieces of the wax might need to be thinned down a little bit. So you're turning one piece into two, and in it goes. Give it a little twist. The sunflowers are really thirsty flowers. You'll be topping up this every other day. So make sure you give them a good cut to open up the surface area. And in they pop. The sunflowers will continue to move and open up, so make sure where you position them, you're going to give them ample space to flatten off so that they can bloom. These gorgeous double ranunculus are going to pretty much double in size over the next few days. You're going to be able to watch them open. So give them a cut, and in they pop. They're quite fragile on their stems, so make sure you just nurture the placement of them amongst the sunflowers. Such a great colour. And that's what we've created, this week's recipe.